Take out all parts from the package. These are the accessories for a complete bike. Please prepare a screwdriver for yourself. The first step is to set up front wheel. First, turn out 4 screws. Then find the middle part of the handlebar, and align it with the bike stem. You can refer to the video method to fix the screws more easily. Remove the gaskets and screws from the wheel set. Attach the front fork to the wheel. Align the hook of the gasket with the notch of the front fork, and turn the screws tightly. Step 2. Assemble the brake cable. Attach the brake cable to the position shown in the video. Rotate and align the 3 notches on the brake handle. Slip one end of the brake wire into the gap under the brake handle. Attach the other end of the brake cable to the notch. When the length of the brake line is insufficient, you can pinch the brake to extend it. When the brake is too tight or too loose, try loosening the screws to adjust the tightness of the brake line, and adjust the position of the gripper for the best braking effect. Step 3. Assemble the seat. Select suitable seat scale. Insert the saddle tube into the saddle and tighten the saddle screws. Step 4. Assemble the pedal. First determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with A written on is the right pedal and the one with L written on is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank, and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both side screws. Step 5. Assemble accessories. Install the white reflector on the BMX handlebars, and install the red reflector on seat post. Loosen the screws, open the ring of the reflector, then install, and secure the screws. Rotate the 4 pegs to their corresponding positions. Use a similar metal rod to further tighten the peg. The installation is now complete. If there are still questions, please contact us.